Well, hello and welcome back. Itty here. We have a very special review of this guitar, and it is my buddy's old Universe in white, which we talked about how hilarious this is because you can see the color of my shirt is actually white. This is not quite white. The pickguard is white. Pickups and everything else kind of begs to differ. Anyways, but this is the white Universe from 1991. I think it was a fairly limited production, but it is an absolutely gorgeous guitar with all of the cool disappearing pyramids. One of the originals to do that. I did some TLC work. The video is up there. You can check out the restore video. It's a little long-winded, but it shows all of the nitty-gritty of all the things that I ended up doing to this guitar. But let's just go ahead and get into it so I can show you exactly what the signal path is. We've got my Soldano amp that I built. This is slow 100 clone. It's going into a Rivera Rock Crusher, and then it's going into Cubase, and then it's going into the Neural DSP Soldano plug-in, but I'm only using it for the cabinet simulation as well as the reverb and delay. But there is no amplifier turned on, there is no pedals or anything like that. Now I did build these guys as well. These are also some clones. I know you can't really see them very well, but essentially they are the clones that I'm going to be using. I'll talk about them in a totally different video, but essentially that is my signal path. So these are going to be more almost like boost pedals a little bit, but let's go ahead and get into it and just check out some tones. So these are without the pedals, and this is on the crunch channel at about 4 gain, and this is the bridge pickup. Quacky sound to them and stuff like that. They're not very heavy pickups. These are Blaze 2 pickups, and they're very early ons, but they are very transparent. That's one of the things that's very cool about them. Alright, let's go into the next position, which is the split coil here, and then the middle coil. This is just the middle. Great sound for a middle pickup. Very rare. Alright, my favorite, which is going to be the split neck and the middle. cool. So now that we got those out of the way, let's look at adding a little bit of the boost. And we'll see what just this sounds like right here. And we'll add this. You see, it doesn't really do too much, but it adds a little bit. Let's see what all the rage is about with this distortion here.